all, welcome to a new morning in Maldives. This is the second video of the series, and in this video we will cover water sports and review on breakfast and dinner, and there is a surprise for you all at the end of this video. If you have not seen our last video, the link is given below. We have covered our journey from Bangalore to Maldives and our deluxe beach villa at Sun Siyam Olhuveli. There are two buffet restaurants in this resort, the Maldives and Sunset. Today we are visiting the Maldives for breakfast. In the breakfast, you get a wide variety of cuisine. Some flavors of American breakfast with a touch of Indian breakfast and huge variety of confectioneries. There was a live counter for different types of omelets like masala, cheese, scrambled egg, sunny side up. All our Indian friends can expect poha, upma, dosa, idli, chapati and sabji. If you like to have fruits, salads, cereals and juices, you won't be disappointed. Also, different flavors of tea and coffee was a part of the breakfast. An add-on was this fruit counter where you can choose any variety of fruits or any kind of fruit to make a fruit salad. Don't worry, this overloaded plate does not belong to me. This plate is of my ever-hungry husband, who has taken a combination of all kinds of cuisines. This plate, with full of confectioneries, belongs to our little one. After the breakfast, it was time for the most exciting water sports. The water sport area is just behind the bar area. You get a varieties of motorized and non-motorized sports here, ranging from sailing, kayaking, jet ski, parasailing and others. And here comes my husband, who is misusing his license of freedom. He promised to be near the shores, but the video witnessed that he was trying to audition for Pirate of the Caribbean. Now we move towards the snorkeling area near the drive center. The walk over the deck is fascinating. The resort hosts some of the best corals. During the time before the sunset, you can enjoy the parasailing, which is one of the most mesmerizing things in this resort. We shall now let you enjoy the most mesmerizing aerial view of this island. But don't go anywhere because we are going to catch up next for the dinner. The ambience of Sunset Restaurant was stunning, and you can enjoy our open ocean view dinner as well. The restaurant serves huge variety of veg and non-veg food. The live grill counter offers varieties of steaks and barbecues. and add on was the wide range of salads. Get your customized pasta done at the pasta counter. There was a dedicated Indian cuisine corner as well. You get a varieties of flavors of ice cream to choose as well. Our little one was thrilled by the dessert varieties. The live food counter consists of huge varieties of traditional and exotic fruits, and you can customize your fruit salad here. After the dinner, you can visit the bar area and groove to the live music. The best part is you can make a request for your favorite song. With the music, you can enjoy your drinks, though the drinks can be pocket burning. Here we end today's video and I leave you with the surprise. The mesmerizing underwater life of Maldives. Do let us know for any of your queries. Also, let us know any aspect you want us to make in our video. Stay tuned for the third part on Maldives.